Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Inchariskiri Marsha from class management 23C with NPM 234111059. This video I wanted to explain and bring to materi about organizational design, design and structure, specializational, and coordination. What do you thinking about organizational design? So, this video I wanted to explain what is organizational design. Organizational design is the process of developing formal, structured, and organizational system to achieve the strategic goals. Three key elements have to in organizational design: organizational structure, job specialization, and inter-unit coordination. Organizational structure. This refers to the formal framework that defines how tasks are divided, grouped, and coordinated within the organizational. Common types of structure: functional, grouped by expertise, marketing, finance; divisional, based on procedure, service, or geography; metric, compass, companies; functional and project-based structure. Purpose: provides clarity and reporting relationships, authority lines, and workflow directions. Job specialization. Specialization influence dividing work into specific tasks or roles assigned to individual based on skill and competencies, encourage efficiency and experience in specific roles, can lead to higher productivity and consistency. Need to be balanced to avoid monotony or assignment. And three, inter-unit coordinations. This system or process used to coordinate effort across different departments or units within the organization. Inter-unit coordinations. Methods of the coordinations. Cross-functional teams share goals and KPIs, liaisons roles and integrators, formal communications channels. Purpose: facilitates collaborations, consistency, and synergy across units to avoid silos and ensure alignment. And the conclusions: organizational design is not just about structure, it's about creating the right balance between how work is defined, job specializations, and how it coordinates inter-unit coordinations. When these elements are efficiently aligned, coordination organizations can operate more efficiently, adapt to change, and achieve strategic success. Organizational structure. Organizational structure is how organizations organize and divide work, responsibilities, and authority. Types of structure: functional, based on job functions; divisional, based on product regions; metric, combines functional and project; and team project, based on collaborative work and goals, efficiency, or clarity, and sound dedications making. Key component of organizational structure. 1. Have to hierarchy, level of authority in organizational, top down or flat. And 2. Divisions of labor, how work is broken down into specific tasks or roles. And 3. Span of control, the number of employees managed by a supervisor. 4. centralizations of decentralization, where decision-making power resides. 5. Formalizations, the extent to which rules and procedure govern behavior. Organizational structure is the backbone of how work is organized and managed. The right structure depends on the organizational size, goal, strategy, and culture. Choosing and maintaining a structure that aligns with this element is key to operational success and long-term sustainability. Job specialization. Specializations divide work into smaller, more focused tasks and have benefit, increase efficiency, deep expertise, and more standardized process. Rise monotonyms, burnout, lack of flexibility, and lack of cross-functional understanding. Example in practice. In a manufacturing company, one worker assembles parts, another paints the product, another handles packaging. Each worker specializes in a single step of the process, making the whole system faster and more efficient. Modern applications. While job specialization is still valued, many modern organizational balance it with job rotations, job enrichment, and cross-training to reduce monotony and build adaptability. And conclusions, job specializations is the foundational element of organizational design that distributes to efficiency and consistency. However, it should be managed careful to maintain employee engagement, job satisfaction, and organizational flexibility. Illustration example of structure. Aspect number 1, functional structure has marketing, HR, and productions. And aspect 2, matrix structure, functions, and project. And aspect 3, divisional structure, products A, B, and C. Illustration functional organization structure. Example functional is company name ABC Manufacturing CO. Types functional structure. And CEO provider strategy, direction, and oversees all department. Marketing department develop and execute marketing strategies to promote productions. Role. Why this structure works. Specializations, its functions is handled by expert. Efficiency, clear departmental responsibility, clarity, defines reporting lines and accountability. Organizational design challenge is more than just creating cards and job descriptions. It's about aligning structure, role, system, and culture with strategy. However, organizations often face challenges that make this process complex and dynamic. Below are key challenges commonly encountered in organizational design. And 1. Adapting to change. Organizational must constantly respond to market shifts, technological advances, competitions, and customer demands. A structure that works today may not fit tomorrow's needs. Challenge redesigning structure to remain agile without causing disruptions. And risk resistance to change outdated process or slow adaptations. And 2. Balancing complexity and clarity. As organizations grow, complexity increases, more adaptation, rule system, and workflow. Challenge maintaining clarity in rule conditions making and communications depth complex. Risk functions overlapping responsibilities or dedication spookiness. And 3. Constraints of declarations. Striking the risk balance between cancelled control and local autonomy is difficult. Challenge. Dedications with dedication should be made at various at operational level. Risk too much control can slow innovations, too little can cause inconsistency. And 4. Aligning structure with the culture. Even a well-designed structure can fail if it clashes with the organizational culture. Challenge creating a structure that supports not contradicts the way people naturally work and interact. Raise internal resistance, allow more or toxic subculture. And 5. Managing talent across the organizational design must account for how talent is acquired, developing, employed, and retained. Challenge design roles that match people's strength and career aspiration. That's all conclusions about organizational design is strategy process. It requires continuous alignment between structure, strategy, people, and culture. Addressing these challenges proficiently is key to building organizational that's agile, efficiency, and future ready. And the last conclusions, structure, specialization, and coordinations are the foundations of organizational design. It must be designed in an integrated and adaptive manner. The ultimate goal increases organizational efficiency, effectiveness, and speed. That's all about for me. Bring to Materi today. I'm Ica Rizky Marsha. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.